And here's my next lawnmower find. This is another Snapper Big 6. 6 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, and this is a electric start model, but the battery's dead in it. This is the Snapper Ninja model with adjustable air intake recycling. I'll show you what that looks like underneath. In really nice condition. Original owner, I got the owner's manual with this, and a side chute as well. This is a throttle control engine, and it has, of course, the Snapper self-propel, which I'll show, 6-speed, and here is the electric start, which the battery's dead in this, so it doesn't work. Not sure the starter even works on this, but it starts up very easy. Very clean all the way around. And the oil is full to the top. And fairly clean. I think it's been very well taken care of. Primer bulb engine. And here's the AIR, which you can loosen this and adjust up and down. And this has the Ninja blade on here. Looks really nice underneath. A very nice condition Snapper Big 6. I really like getting these. I got a Ninja earlier this year that was in really nice condition as well. Let me show you more about this Snapper Big 6. Let's check the air filter in here as well. And it needs a little cleaning, not all that bad. We'll clean this before we give it a start. And it was a bit dusty, but we can reuse this air filter and it's still good. We'll put this back in. Also noticed it has a inline gas filter here as well. And what I like about this Snapper here versus the Ninja that I recently got, it actually has 6 wheel height adjustments. The Ninja only had 5. And it also has the larger rear wheels on the back as well. And one thing you can notice right away, it actually has the wrong grass catcher on here. This is an older style grass catcher. It's new, but it has this clip on the back that you have to remove to dump the grass. And the bag was kept in place to keep this mulch plug in here, so it's set up for mulching. And I'll show you the correct bag that actually should be on this Snapper here, which is the door in the back to dump the grass out versus this clip. That's an older model. And I'll show you what it looks like on this Snapper. And this should be the correct bag on here. This is the one that actually came off my Easy Speed Snapper versus this older model one here. And here's the model and serial number of this Snapper Ninja. And here is the rear self-propel unit of this Snapper. The belts look good on this, and it's got plenty of rubber on this drive wheel. And this is where the battery is for the starter, which the battery's dead. I also have the charger for this. And the foam is in really good condition here on the handle as well. It's not torn like you see a lot of these older Snappers. And these wheels are a little bit worn on here, but not bad. Front one's a little worse. Took a look at this one. Pretty slick. A little bit loose too. Rear wheels seem to be in better shape. They may have actually been replaced at one time. And it is always nice to get the original operator's manual or owner's manual with these. This is the original snapper. Electric start, series 12. And he even marked the model number on here. Got the original engine manual. As well as there's a supplement instruction for the disc drive wheel replacement adjustment for the self-propelled. Also got the side chute with this as well. And the cover is in really good shape on here for the Big 6, showing the electric start. Got one little vent broken out here. Noticed he's got one of these E3 spark plugs in here as well. Here's the key start for the snapper. Also have the charger unit. He said the battery was dead and wouldn't charge anymore. Let's give this really nice snapper Ninja with the adjustable air intake recycling a start here. Primer bulb's a little slow. Doesn't this look nice? A little bit of throttle here. Here we go.